Good day. Thank you for the opportunity to speak at the Connecticut Conference for Climate Change and Insurance. I'm Hong Guo, Chief Insurance Officer of Arbo. Arbo is a fintech, insurtech company that specializes in providing data-driven solutions, including insurance, for managing climate risks. Our insurance headquarters is in Darien, Connecticut. So from an insurance operation perspective, we are a Connecticut local company. We have a Connecticut domiciled insurance agency that is licensed in all 50 states. And we have a sponsored captive insurer called Climate Risk Insurance Company. I will provide a brief introduction of what we do and then give some case studies on using insurance for managing climate risks. At the very high level, Arbo offers two types of solutions. First, as an insurtech company, we offer protection products in the form of insurance and reinsurance to help businesses manage financial losses resulting from climate risks. Second, as a technology company, we offer data and analytics services for climate risk assessment for global businesses. Now, let me talk about our insurance and reinsurance product. We take a unique data-driven approach in designing how our protection products work. Instead of paying losses based on traditional loss adjustment, our protection is based on predefined data parameters, such as temperature, rainfall, drought, water level, wind speed, solar irradiance, crop yield, etc. We call this type of product parametric protection. Our parametric protection products are often offered in insurance and reinsurance forms. Our parametric protection products are offered in insurance and reinsurance forms, depending on our customers' needs. We leverage our extensive state-of-the-art global climate data platform, AI-based underwriting algorithm, and a digital transaction and operation platform to bring pricing efficiency and operation efficiency to provide protection for climate risks and fill the coverage gap created by the lack of sufficient coverage by traditional insurance. Let me offer three examples. First, a parametric yield product for agribusinesses. American farmers have access to federal subsidized crop insurance programs to protect them against loss in production in bad years. When the yield is low, farmers can pick up a check from the federal government. However, the agribusinesses offering services along the crop supply chain don't have access to such protection. These businesses, such as cotton gin, warehouse, transporter, harvester, grain elevator, etc., rely on processing local yield to make a revenue. And when the local yield is low, these businesses suffer. They face risks of suffering huge financial losses or even going out of business. Identifying the coverage gap, we came up with an area yield index-based insurance product for such agribusiness. They now can buy an insurance based off a customized county and crop-based yield index. Their insurance agent can create such a customized index based on what crop they process and where they source their business. If the actual yield index is below a predetermined level, insurance will start to pay. For example, a cotton gin in Texas can buy protection at 75% of 10-year average of cotton yield in the counties where it sources businesses. If the yield index, which is based on USDA published county level cotton yield data, falls below the 75% trigger, it'll receive payment from insurance. One of the cotton gin owner in Texas says, I mean, it was something that is going to end up saving my business. That is how this parametric product help provide a solution to such businesses. The second example is a parametric wind generation protection insurance for the renewable energy sector. A power utility owns offshore wind generation assets and needs to hedge against a shortfall in generation due to lack of wind speed. In order to do this, they can purchase a protection that would pay when wind speed is below a given threshold for a given period. This protection and the payout would provide them a daily hedged cash flow to fulfill power delivery obligations and help lower cost of capital and revenue volatility. The third example I would like to give is a parametric reinsurance for hurricane risks. We all know that homeowner insurers in Florida rely heavily on hurricane reinsurance. In recent years, traditional reinsurance support has significantly reduced as reinsurance companies withdraw from Florida market. Arbol designed a parametric reinsurance product and brought in completely new risk capacity to support a Florida home insurer. With this product, the payout is determined by each insurance policy location's distance to a particular hurricane track and the maximum sustained wind speed captured along the hurricane track. The data is transparent as it comes from the National Hurricane Center, and the calculation mechanism is transparent as it is pre-agreed. So all the payouts for each policy location for a particular hurricane event will be calculated and be aggregated, and a reinsurance structure is applied. Hurricane Ian that just hit Florida hard 2 weeks ago is a good validation of this product. Compared to the months or even years lag for traditional reinsurance to pay out, as losses after such a huge event take a long time to be adjusted and settled. The buyer of the parametric product will know if they will receive a payment as soon as the hurricane track data is published by the National Hurricane Center, oftentimes within 1 or 2 months' time. Such timely payment is crucial for the Florida homeowner insurers, which are often operate in a very, very tight cash flow environment. Through these 3 examples, we can see that parametric insurance is playing an increasingly important role in areas where there's a gap in traditional insurance coverage. Parametric insurance is especially helpful in providing protection against emerging climate risk, for which there's a lack of loss data for traditional insurance rate making. As a Connecticut business, we fully appreciate the strategic initiative on climate change by the state and look forward to contributing to climate risk management efforts by the state and other Connecticut businesses. Thank you.